November is National Diabetes Month. According to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, 34.2 million people in the United States, which is 10.5% of the country's population, has diabetes. Of them, 21% have not yet received a diagnosis. The CDC also estimates that 34.5% of people over 18 years of age, or 88 million people, have pre-diabetes. A study published this summer found that over the last decade, people with diabetes in the United States have become significantly less successful at controlling their blood sugar. In the United States, 90 to 95% of people with diabetes have type 2 diabetes, which is a reversible and preventable illness. If you or someone you know has type 2 diabetes, click on the link in the show notes to learn how you can use food as medicine to get your blood sugar under control and reverse type 2 diabetes. High blood sugar can cause cardiovascular disease and kidney disease, as well as problems with the nerves, eyes, and other organs. Diabetes can also lead to peripheral artery disease and other severe complications. I know this firsthand watching my grandmother graduate from testing her blood sugar daily as a type 2 diabetic and taking diabetes pills like metformin and Plavix and those things, to having to take long injections of insulin into her stomach daily. We did all the things the doctor said to do, but she was not on the reversal diet that we now know is possible. This food as medicine strategy could have saved her life. There's no time like the present, so click the link in the show notes to get started.
I peel a pineapple, and whenever I peel pineapple, I always cut the heart of the pineapple. So that's a nice big chunk of pineapple. So what I do with them, I juice them. This is Bert, he's still going. I juice the pineapple and I put apples in there. And I also put ginger, but what it is, the ginger, I already juiced the ginger, so instead of push the ginger through the juicer, I just put the ginger that I already juiced, which is, this is the juice, the ginger juice, which is very strong. So this is what I'll do. This is a teaspoon. I'll put about 3 teaspoons in there. So what we discovered, we have sparkling water. We're gonna try the juice with the sparkling water and see how that tastes. But before we do that, we are going to do a taste test. I'm gonna let you taste it and tell me how this tastes before you put your sparkling water in. Taste. That's without the sparkling water.
Delicious.
Okay, now put it at the amount of sparkling water that you'd like in there. That's good. I think you're killing the taste.
No, well, you need the sparklies.
Okay, all right. Wow, it's a lot of fibs. Very good. She can't stop drinking, so that's
really
telling
good.
me something.
It mitigates the sweetness, but
Man, this is delicious.
it
Look,
is good.
I'm a ginger person, and I'm not tasting the ginger. Maybe if that's why I'm so hot. I stay hot. Ginger is good for the body. Okay, so I'm adding my sparkling water now. And this is it. Oh my God, this is so delicious. Ooh, this is so nice.
When you're feeling thirsty,
Come to Dorel Kitchen. Sparkling water with pineapple, ginger, and apple.